Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my people. I greet each and everyone that will come across this video and be watching. I remain your brother, your online mentor, Bro James. I am doing this video to teach you something very vital that will help your life. And before I go into that, I want to address you people on something, because I discovered that many people are rich, but they don't know that they are rich. Because many, they have some cryptos in their wallet, but they don't know how to sell it. They don't know how to do with it. Some, they want to invest in crypto. They don't know how to go about. If you are such a person, leave a comment in the comment section indicating yourself and the category of person you are, whether you want to have, you want to sell, whether you don't have, you want to get. You will indicate in the comment section and I will attend to it. Then before I will go into showing you this, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. Do not forget to thumbs up this video, so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. I am here to keep looking for ways that you will make money online, to teach you step by step on how to do that. I want to let you know that some, they don't have money when it comes to using a little token to make money online. So I'm looking for ways also to make money even free. But I want to tell you something. Making money online without spending a kobo is not all that fast and easy. It's mind. If you put mind, you can do it. But if you don't put mind and you want it quick and fast, you cannot be able. Therefore, I want to address you guys that online, if you don't have money in your hands to pursue online businesses, it will be slow for you. But I want to tell you, when you hustle on these free things online and you get a kobo, don't go and spend. If you want to progress online, use it, begin something reasonable online. If you are such a person, maybe you have, but you don't know what to do online to make money, please indicate in the comment section. Maybe you don't have, but you want to have, or you want to touch some free things to get a little, indicate in the comment section. And here I'm advising you, like now I'm teaching you how to get free Bitcoin in this video. But it cannot be too fast. You cannot just begin like water, but you can get it reasonable here by just doing what I'm about to show you. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to touch that notification bell. Do not forget to thumbs up this video so that you'll be current with me, seeing the notification in your phone of any video I upload. Therefore, let me go there and teach you something. Look at this app here showing logo here. Go to Play Store, type Blink, type Bitcoin Blast. Blink is the company that owns this platform. So tap Bitcoin Blast, Bitcoin Blast, BITCOIN, Bitcoin Blast, BLASK. Tap it on your Play Store and download it. And when you download it, now still go to your Play Store, type Coinbase Wallet. You will see this logo. There are plenty, but look at this logo very well. This very type, not all those other ones. This very type. There are many. Look at it. Look at it very well. Look at the logo very well. The key to open is small. The C has small opening. You understand? Not big or not square shape. So locate this kind of logo and download it. Coinbase Wallet. When you download this Coinbase Wallet, open it. Sign up with our email, phone number, and some other of your information. When you sign up, go to your email, go and confirm and log in from your email. Then come out and log in here. When you not log in, the email that you copied, I want to show you now. The email that you register this Coinbase with, then come to the Bitcoin Blast that you download. See my Bitcoin Blast here. Then open your Bitcoin Blast. Open your Bitcoin Blast. When you open your Bitcoin Blast, like now, let me log out my wallet and show you. Look at this where you see B with something on top. You see email. This is my email from Blink Company. So I am going to log out this email now so that I will show you how to do it. Let me go there and log out. So I have logged out now. See, it shows started here and this setting side, this side. So click on this setting. When you click on it, click on get started. Then when you click on get started, look at the email has appeared here, but your own will not appear. Then click on Google continuation. Click on Google with continuation. Click on it. Don't click on Facebook. Click on Google continuation. Click on Google continuation. Look at it. It has login. So when you click on that Google continuation as a new user, then you see that your email. But if you didn't see connected as it connected automatically, then go to, you will see a space where they will say connect with Google, connect with email, connect with your email. Look at Google connected, showing blue this thing here. Look at it very well. Then now when you now come back here, the reason why you are seeing 3D14H55MIN here, it means I withdraw a week later. So it's after 7 days that I will qualify to withdraw again. You understand? So when you touch this place, look at it. I withdraw on the 3rd of January 2022. I withdraw almost a fraction of 2046 Bitcoin to my Coinbase wallet. Immediately you qualify, you will see with your cash out. When you click on it, you will see cash out. You click on it, it will go to this email direct to your Coinbase wallet. Here you can bring wallet ID. That is how it works. So all you need to do is when you come here, see play, then click this play. It's taking you to the game where you will play and be making the money. This is an advert. When you are seeing these things, they are advert. You allow them to play and finish. This is an advert. It's an ad. This is an ad. This is an ad. Allow it to play and finish. If you come to this point, minimize the page, remove it, return back to the normal page. The time is counting down here. Look at it. When it finishes, it will be removed. When this time finishes, it will be removable. Okay, look at on top of it. Look at these two less than showing here. Sometimes it show times. Click on that times. It will go, but it shows like this. Click on it. It will come to this point. Then you will see that cancel. Cancel it out. Then look at it here to start again. Next reward, it means when you play this game now, you are going to get 2,102 coin that it will be converted to a Bitcoin for you. So look at, when I click here, it has taken me to game. Okay, as it take me, look at this is just how to play the game. Joining the same color ball that are here. And look at what they expected you here is that look at there's something that some square here they are covered with a color that is like chocolate. You have to break them all. They come with different ways. So study the game and play it. Look at as I'm playing, as I will play it. Look at it. Look at it. I'm playing it. Look at it. I'm playing it. Look at. This is just what he expected from you to do. This is just the expectation of this game. This is just how to play it. Whether you play it, you got it right, or you not got it right, but the score shown to you initially will be paid to you. That is how it works. That is how it works. I'm going to show you just for this time how to play it. Look at it very well. Look at it very well. Look at it. How to play it. Look at it, how to play it. Look at it very well. Look at it very well. How to play it. No, I didn't get it complete, but look at the score. 2,000 plus will be given to me. Look at it. If you remain 19 times, we look at 2,172 will be added there. You understand? So when you now click on this watch ad, that is to continue to play the second half. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. This is an ad. I want to show you step by step so that you will not be confused. This is an ad. It's not part of the game directly. It's an ad from Google AdSense. This is an ad. This should not matter to you. What matters will be waiting for you to finish and show you cancel on top here to cancel. Get in there. It will be yes. Look at, click there and then cancel it out. Yes, and click. It means now when I play, they will give me 2,317. Look at it. I have opened it. This is how to do it. So do not forget, my brothers and my sisters, to subscribe to this channel. My fathers and anyone watch this video, do not forget, because I'm not going to rest until at least 2-3 people have a testimony that with this channel God helped me to become who I am. So I'm looking for more ways that I will do a video show you step by step on how to make money online. If you have any challenge online, drop in my comment section so that I will look into it. If it's something I can be able to help, I will help you. Thank you very much. Subscribe to this channel, stay tuned for this channel, and hit the notification bell, and also thumbs up this video for the next video coming ahead. Thank you. I remain your brother, Bro James. I will always be here for you. Bye bye. Enjoy your new year.